How to change Google profile name. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google on your device. Then click on your profile at the top right. Then in here you'll find Manage Your Google Account. Click on Manage Your Google Account. After that, on the left side you'll find Personal Info. Click on Personal Info. Scroll down in here and you'll find Name. After you find Name, click on the name. Then you'll find Name again. Click on Name again. After that, what you can do is simply click on first name or last name to change it. You can delete the recent name and change it and press on Save at the bottom. And then it will be saved. This will be your new Google profile name. You can do same thing on your phone as well. Open Google on your phone, click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Manage Your Google Account. After that, in here, go to Personal Info. Then scroll down and click on Name. After that, in here, click on Name again. It is the same process. Then change the name as you want. After you've changed the name, press on Save at the bottom. After you've pressed on Save, you're good to go. This is how to change Google profile name. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.